In this video, we're going to talk about some Amex credit card hacks that you should know about. So I've owned an Amex credit card for multiple years now, and I'm actually surprised that there are not more people that know these particular hacks. This can earn you more membership rewards points, you can get an overall increase in your credit score, and you can overall get a better experience with your Amex credit card if you utilize these hacks. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Chase and this is a Penny Pincher's Guide to Personal Finance. If you get good information from this and you like these videos, hit that like, hit that subscribe. It helps support our channel. It lets us know to put more of this stuff out to you. So the first hack that I want to talk about is making sure that you get a great welcome bonus. We want to focus on getting the one that's going to give you the best results when you go through it. So if you go straight to the Amex website, for currently right now, you'll see that you can get a 60,000 point welcome bonus if you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. Now this is pretty great because 60,000 points at a 1 cent per point valuation does equate out to $600 back once you hit that welcome bonus offer. But what you really need to do is you need to search around and look at different options and see if there is a better welcome bonus out there. So in particularly what I did with when I got the AMEX Gold card is I went to Resi, and on Resi they had an option where if you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months, you get 75,000 points, membership rewards points, which equals out to $750 cash value. This gives you extra $150 compared to if you just went to the regular website. In addition, if you spend your money at a restaurant, you will actually get 20% cash back, up to $250 in a full year if you go through your Amex Gold card. So you get the extra $150 in your membership reward point value in addition to the 20% cash back up to $250. So this is a great value that I otherwise wouldn't have received if I had just gone straight to the website. The other option is to talk and see if there is any referral bonuses out there. I have seen referral bonuses up to 80, 90,000 points depending on when it happened. If you can find somebody that has a referral bonus that meets that criteria, then that's what I would recommend doing because you will get a greater value for the intro bonus. So don't forget to shop around and find an intro bonus that works best and has the better value. And if we did the math calculating to see what our return on investment is for these intro bonuses, depending on how much it costs. So if we got $600 cash back value for the Amex Gold card and you divide that by $4,000, that gives you about 15% return on investment. Comparatively, if you get $750 and then divide that by 4,000, you're going to be getting about 18.75% return on investment. And that's a huge amount, going up 3.75%. All right, number 2 is going to be increasing your spending limit, your credit limit by 3x. There is a great option with the American Express cards that allows you to increase your credit limit by 3 times once you hit 61 days. So after it's been 60 days, you can call in on the 61st day and ask American Express to increase your credit limit 3 times what the limit is right now. That means if your credit limit is $2,000, you can ask to increase it by 3x, and that can give you a $6,000 credit limit. Now, the only drawback to this is this only works with credit cards that have credit limits associated with them. So it's not going to work with the American Express Gold card or the American Express Platinum card because those are more or less charge cards. You can think of them that way, even though they're branded as credit cards, and they don't really have a spending limit associated with them. Now, if you do have other cards like these American Express cards that have credit limits, then this is great, not only because it allows you to have a little more spending power, but also because it can help out with your credit score, because this can then adjust how much credit utilization you're using because now your credit limit is higher. So the only caveat to this is I want to make sure that you're not increasing your credit limit and then spending more as well. The only way that this is going to be helpful is to increase your limit but then maintain your spending habits, so then your credit utilization rate actually decreases and that gets reported to the credit bureaus, and then your credit score can actually go up. All right, hack number 3 is to make sure that you are utilizing all of your American Express offers. Now, if you have the card, you can see on the app or on the website that there are hundreds of different offers on there that's either going to give you some more extra membership rewards points for using them. You might get some cash back after you spend a certain amount with a certain brand. There's a lot of different options out there, but they are really good if you utilize them. The only issue is you have to go onto the app, you have to go onto the website, and you have to look and see which one they are, and then determine which credit card you need to use to get those cash back or get those offers associated with them. Now, what I would recommend doing is going onto your browser on your Chrome or onto Bing, and then look for the extension card pointers. That's CARD POINTERS, and then download that extension. This extension is going to allow you to just select all of these offers up front without having to have to scroll through them, and then auto add them to your card. And then once you auto add them to your card and you're scrolling through your browser on Chrome or Bing, it will then pop up when you go to that website and let you know that you have a particular offer associated with that. This is great because it catches it before and you don't have to keep up with it, and it tells you exactly which card to use. All right, hack number 4 is going to be using your Rakuten account to get membership rewards points instead of cash back. So Rakuten is a service online that basically is going to be referring you to a website that you're already be going to, and you just click through Rakuten and you will receive cash back depending on what they're offering at that time. Now, this is a great option because I already use Rakuten, and I bet a lot of you do too, but you can go on there and you can switch over to membership rewards points and then receive your cash back in the form of membership rewards points. So you're still going to get 1 point for every dollar that you spend, and that's going to be approximately a 1 cent per point value rate evaluation. But if you're able to get those in membership rewards points and at your Amex, and then you have the option to potentially get it valued at 1 to maybe 3 cents, depending on the transfer partners that you go to, then you can get a increased value, increased cash back that you would have got from Rakuten if you were just getting it in dollars. And then the other awesome part about Rakuten is, depending on when you log in or if you're going in on a high shopping time or around the holidays, they will have these potential events where they're going to increase, and some places will actually give 15% cash back. And if you couple that with the transfer partners, you can get a giant increase, 15, maybe 30% cash back, potentially up to 50% cash back on your purchases online. So these are some quick hacks that I have found with American Express that I have been able to utilize to get a great value with my card and just overall experience and improvement. If you do have an American Express card and you want to find out how to utilize it more, then make sure you check out this video to find out how you can maximize your Amex points if you haven't seen it already, because it has some great important points that you can utilize. Hope this helps, and I want to remind you that we are here from your first penny to your first million. We'll see you next time.